Hello. I hope everyone's having an awesome day. On Tuesday, we talked about adjectives. They describe nouns like a person, place, or a thing. And there's a lot of different kinds of adjectives, but the ones we're focusing on this week are number adjectives. So words that are numbers or something that tells us, a word that tells us how many. And, color adjectives. Sometimes, like if it's a chapter book and you don't have a picture to visualize what it looks like, using color words can help you out, and then you have a better picture in your mind. So we're going to talk about color adjectives and number adjectives again. But you get to do some writing. If last time writing in a notebook was a little bit hard for you, you can always type it into Seesaw too, or work with a mom or dad to they can help you take turns typing or think of adjectives to make your story a little bit better. Here's just a poem. This one's kind of hard. You don't need to write this much, but it's just to give you some ideas. So we're going to do some writing. You could write about a favorite season. Since we're listening to the story, you read the story Happy Fall. Fall is the season. So fall, winter, spring, and summer are 4 different seasons. So you could write about maybe your favorite season if you want. This little girl wrote, "In spring, the rain comes down, down, down. But then the flowers come up. 1 flower, ooh, I'm seeing some of those adjectives. 2 flowers, 3 flowers. Red, yellow, pink flowers. Flowers come up, up, up." So she was talking all about the spring, the season of spring. She used some colors, red, yellow, pink, for adjectives that describe telling us the color. She also used some number words too. 1, 2, 3 flowers. So your job is to write your own story. It could be just one, it could be just 2 sentences. You have to at least do 2 sentences. Or you could do it if you really think, ooh, I'm going to write a whole story. You could write even 5 or 6 sentences. But I want you to at least write 2 sentences. You're going to use at least 1 color word and 1 number word. And then you could circle them like I did here. Summer is my favorite season, is how I started it. I love the yellow, hot sun shining down on me. I also love to go to the cabin and go swimming with my family. We have many people who stay the night. I could have said I have 4 people in my family who all stay the night. But many also is a word that tells us how many. So it's up to you. I want you to at least write 2 sentences and take a picture and put it on Seesaw. Or you can type the sentences and draw a picture on Seesaw. As long as you're doing some writing using adjectives, you need to write at least 1 color word and 1 number word telling us how many and what color and what are some things you see during that season. All right? It's a little tricky, so go ahead. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. You can do it. I can't wait to read all of the great stories using our adjectives. See you next time.